Nike buys a virtual sneaker maker. Oh, crypto. Another crypto story.
Back into crypto.
You degenerate.
Yeah.
Nike Inc. is acquiring a virtual collectibles company as it dives further into the metaverse. Yeah, well, they saw what Adidas was doing, right?
Yes.
And
Buying land.
They just like, listen, we're Nike, all right? You're doing it, we're doing it. Mm-hmm. The sportswear giant agreed to buy RiftKit, RTFKT, a business founded in 2020 that creates digital products like sneakers and uses blockchain technology to ensure authenticity. According to a statement on Monday, financial terms of the deal were not disclosed. This acquisition is another step that accelerates Nike's digital transformation. Chief Executive Officer John Donahoe said in the statement, our plan is to invest in the what did I say?
RiftKit?
That's what I said, but the T becomes before the F.
Yeah.
RiftKit.
I think you just say the abbreviation.
RiftKit. 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 Serve and grow their innovative and creative community and extend Nike's digital footprint and capabilities. Plotting its digital future. Yeah, man. Downloadable virtual goods. Can you imagine, Will? All you got to do is collect the NFTs of the sneakers. You don't actually need to own the sneakers in the future. Mm-hmm. Because you got all these sneakers in the closet. Like, we get it. You're enthusiastic, but you don't even wear them. And
you don't even wear them, so
there's dust everywhere.
Might as well be digital, right?
If it seems to be anything that people collect that can be NFT'd, sports, they did it with NBA Top Shot. Mm-hmm. Video games, we imagine a way in which skins and things, people feel very strongly about that, but it seems artwork obviously was the number one. It seems inevitable now that people are going to be collecting digital versions of all the things that had previously been collected in the real world, non-virtual, physically manifested.
I wonder if there was a way that if you collect like a Nike shoe, like physically, somehow it could be tied to like an NFT and be certified in that way. So like if you know that this person owns the NFT, they have the legit physical.
Yeah, it's like authenticity certificate.
Yeah,
which they've
but
had.
even more so since it's in the blockchain.
It's in the. You just had to say blockchain today, didn't you?
Yeah, I have to say it at least once.
Yeah, exactly.
A day in the studio.
You're like Lou. I quit crypto, man. It's keeping me up at night. It's not good for me. Here's 7 stories about crypto.
Yeah, and
I'm gonna say blockchain multiple times in the day.
And I check mark Asana. Like it's done. It's complete.
Yeah, man. Who knows how they're going to end up using it, but definitely you can imagine that you buy the sneaker, the collectible sneaker. You get the collectible NFT that's exclusive to those that were able to purchase the limited number of those sneakers that were available. And now the value goes through the roof for both. It's you can see so many ways that they can do this type of thing, man. It's endless. Yeah. Collectibles, enthusiasm mapping, human enthusiasm.
Yes.
Equals value, period. Equals money, period.